Morning, welcome to Hindi is Easy. Today we are going to see the line by line explanation for the lesson Ye Mera Ye Meet Ka, lesson number 2, class 7 from the book Gunjan Hindi Pathmala. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and recommend among your friends circle. If you have any clarification or feedback, please do put in the comment section and surely reply back. If you like the video or the video is useful for your learning, please do click the like button. Your subscription and like will motivate me to add more videos. ये मेरा ये मीत का, ये मेरा मीन्स दिस इज माइन, दिस इज माई फ्रेंड्स. मीत का ना फ्रेंडोडது, இது என்னோடது, இது என் ஃப்ரெண்டோடது. लेट्स डू द इंट्रोडक्शन विच इज गिवन इन द बुक. बातों बातों में जीवन को सही दिशा देने में शिक्षक की क्या भूमिका है. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द टीचर इन गिविंग ए राइट पाथ टू द स्टूडेंट्स. द टीचर कैन आइडेंटिफाई द inner potential and they can guide them and they can improvise those skills that they have observed in the kid so that they can be successful using those skills. मिलकर पढ़ाई करने से क्या लाभ हो सकते हैं. when you are mingling doing a group study, what are the benefits. we can share the knowledge, we can easily teach each other by listening, by hearing, by reading, by explaining. the things can be taught to each other very easily. सच्चे मित्र का क्या कर्तव्य है. what is the responsibility of a true friend. a true friend should always guide the other friend in a right direction. he or she should not misguide. that is the best responsibility that a friend should hold. आप अपने मित्र के साथ क्या क्या बांटते हैं. so put this in the comment section. what are the things that you share to your friend. your sadness, happiness, the happenings that has happened with your friend or other friend or in your home, whatever it is. so what are the things that you share to your friends. इस पाठ में आचार्य हजारी प्रसाद त्रिवेदी ने अपने शिक्षक द्वारा सुनाई एक कहानी का वर्णन किया है. so here in this lesson is the explanation of the story which the author has got from his teacher. so acharya na teacher Hazari Prasad Trivedi has telling the story to his students which he got to know from his teacher. अपने शिक्षक ना அவரோட டீச்சர் கிட்ட இருந்து கேட்ட ஒரு கதையை ஹசாரி பிரசாத் त्रिवेदी அவரோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு சொல்றாரு. जिसे सुनकर उनके अनेक सहपाठी विद्या प्राप्त करने में सक्षम हुए. हजारी प्रसाद त्रिवेदी was hearing the story from the teacher. that time his classmates were capable to study good. சக்ஷம் हुए means they were capable. so அவர் வந்து அவரோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் படிக்கிறத பார்த்துட்டு now he is explaining the same story to his students. ये मेरा ये मीत का, इस युक्ति का अनुसरण करके सब एक दूसरे को सिखाते हैं. so this is mine, this is my friends. this tip युक्ति ना this idea वे यूज பண்ணி अनुसरण करके means by following that how one another is teaching each other. इस प्रकार सहपठन is peer learning, teaching the friends who are sitting with you. में सब पढ़ाई लिखाई में रुचि लेने लगते हैं. so all the friends who are sitting next to you are taking interest to study and write. एक दूसरे की जिम्मेदारी लेने से आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता है. when you are taking the responsibility of others, your self confidence improves, it develops. सहयोग करने से प्रेम बढ़ता है. when you are helping each other, the love and affection between the friends develops. here in this lesson we are going to read the story which Hazari Prasad Trivedi has heard from his teacher and through which he has seen his friends studying better. so he is explaining the same story to his students so that all the students in the class can be capable of studying and reading. objective of this lesson is you have to understand the importance of education in our life, the importance of a teacher who can guide the student better to be successful using the skill. so a good teacher has to identify the skill of the student and what is the importance of classmates or friends and how it helps each other and how you can help each other and the hard work you have to put and the responsibility you should have towards your friends. All these emotions gets developed That's the objective of this lesson, that once you are reading this lesson, all these skills you should develop. So the life skill that you have to learn is mitrata, the friendship, sahyog, how you can help each other, parikshram, the hard work, samanta ki bhavna, you should treat everyone equally, jigyasa, you should have the curiosity, musibat mein na ghabrana, whenever you see the problem you should not get fear, imandari, you should be very honest, and sahpatan, peer learning, how you can help each other. So this should be the life value which you have to learn from this lesson. Our learning outcome should be, you should know the importance of education, the importance of teacher, the importance of being a good friend, the importance of peer learning, the benefits of peer learning. All these things you have to learn from this lesson. That should be your learning outcome. Having said this, let's read the lesson further to understand. हमारे शिक्षक उन शिक्षकों में से थे जिन्हें हार्ड टास्क मास्टर कहा जाता है. So Anglo the teacher, our teacher were among those teacher who has been told as hard task master, in the sense who used to give very difficult task. उनके डर से हम लोग रोज का पाठ रोज तैयार कर लेते थे. Due to the scaredness we have from the teacher, we used to study all the lessons that have been taught on that day. फिर भी 2-3 बालक ऐसे थे जो कुछ ना याद कर पाते थे. So there were 2 or 3 kids in the classroom who could not remember anything. ना बताई हुई विद्या का स्मरण रख पाते थे. And whatever has been told, they were not able to remember. स्मरण ना remember पढ़ना मुड़ियला. यद्यपि although लिखने का काम वे गलत सही पूरा कर देते थे. Writing work they used to complete. Here and there mistakes order they used to do it. अध्यापक ने उनके लिए एक युक्ति निकाली. Now अध्यापक has taken an idea to do something for such kids who are not able to remember things. और tactic எடுத்துட்டு வந்தாரு. वह भी एक कहानी, that is one story, जिसे मैं अब तक भूल नहीं पाया, which I could not forget till now, और ना ही कभी भूल ही पाऊंगा, and never ever I can forget that story. Teacher is going to tell the story. इसी गांव में 2 बालकों में गहरी मित्रता थी. So in some village between 2 small boys there was a deep friendship. गहरी ना deep, मित्रता ना friendship. दोनों एक दूसरे को मीत कहकर पुकारते थे. They used to call each other as मीत. मीत ना friend. और एक ही गुरु के पास पढ़ने जाते थे. They used to study under the same teacher. ஒரே குரு கிட்ட தான் அவங்க 2 பேரும் படிக்கிறதுக்கு போகிறாங்க. You can see the picture here. उन दोनों की मित्रता देखकर लोग हैरान थे. Seeing their friendship, people used to feel so surprised and shocked. हैरान ना surprise and shock. एक दरिद्र पिता का पुत्र था. One was the boy of a very poor father. दरिद्र means very poor. ना खाने के लिए पर्याप्त अन्न था. सो फॉर ईटिंग पर्पस ऑल्सो दे डिडंट हैड इनफ ग्रेन्स. पर्याप्त ना इनफ, अन्न ना ग्रेन्स. ना पहनने के लिए कपड़े, एंड टू वियर ऑल्सो ही डिडंट हैड वेरी गुड ड्रेस. यू कैन सी ही वॉज हैविंग अ टॉर्न ड्रेस. किताब कॉपी आदि की चर्चा तो दूर की बात है. सो टू थिंक अबाउट द बुक्स और नोटबुक्स इज फार अवे फॉर हिम. दूसरा धनी व्यापारी का पुत्र था. द अनदर बॉय वॉज ए सन ऑफ ए वेरी रिच मर्चेंट. धनी ना रिच, व्यापारी ना मर्चेंट. उसका घर सब तरह से भरा पूरा था. एंड हिज हाउस वॉज फिल्ड विथ एवरीथिंग. भरा पूरा था मीन्स it was filled with everything. Whatever he needed, he had in his house. Here the teacher is going to narrate the story which he has heard from his teacher. So during his days, because of the scaredness, the afraidness they had towards the teacher, they used to prepare all the lessons whichever been taught daily. But there were few kids who were not able to remember properly, and the teacher, the author's teacher, has found an idea within story. And after hearing the story, he could see that his classmates started to study. Now the teacher is implementing the same idea. So he is narrating the same story which he got to know from his teacher, and that's what we are going to read as the lesson here. So the story starts with the 2 kids where they had a very good friendship, but one kid was the son of a very poor father and another kid was the son of a rich merchant. He had everything in his house. So, seeing their both friendship, the people used to get very shocked and surprised, and they both used to study under the same teacher. साथ ही उसके पास अपने मीत के लिए एक दिल भी था. His house was filled with everything and also for his friend he had a very big heart. So he was ready to help his friend. इसी हृदय की प्रेरणा से ही एक दिन वह अपने पिता के सामने अड़ गया. So since he had the heart to help his friend, one day he went in front of his father who was a very rich merchant and he stood in front of him with an adamancy. अड़ गया means got stuck in front of him. यदि दरिद्रता के कारण मेरा मीत पढ़ लिख नहीं सकता तो मैं भी नहीं पढ़ूंगा. If because of the poverty, दरिद्रता means because of the poverty, if my friend is not able to study or write, then I will also not study. उसकी तरह मैं भी अनपढ़ और दरिद्र ही रहूँगा. Like him, उसकी is the pronoun used for his friend. I will also be अनपढ़. अनपढ़ means illiterate and दरिद्र will be poor only. इस प्रकार उसने अपने मीत के खाने पहनने और पढ़ाई लिखाई के सारे खर्चे की व्यवस्था अपने पिताजी से करा ली. So by telling this to his father, he has arranged the things for his friend also. For what all the things he has arranged for his dress, for his food and for his writing, for his study purpose, studying, reading, everything. For all the expenses, kharchana expenses that happens for his food, his dress, his studies, he has arranged through his father, saying that if my friend is not getting, I will also not study. I will also be like poor boy. ஸோ அவங்க அப்பா கிட்ட இது மாதிரி அடமெண்ட் பண்ணி நான் வந்து என் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு கிடச்சாதான் நான் படிப்பேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எல்லாமே அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு தேவையானதெல்லாம் அவங்க அப்பா மூலியமாகவே அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கிட்டார். कुछ वर्षों तक पढ़ लिख कर दूसरा बालक व्यवसाय में अपने पिता का हाथ बांटने लगा. So after some years, the another kid who was the son of a rich merchant, he has started to share the work of his father's business. व्यवसाय ना, the business that the father used to run. हाथ बटाने में he has started to share. लेकिन अपने मीत को भी वह सारे कर्ज दिलाता रहा, but still he was giving all the expenses that was needed for his poor friend, जिससे वह निरंतर प्रगति करता गया and through which he was started to progress. निरंतर means continuous progress was there in his friend. निरंतर is continuous, प्रगति is progress. आगे चलकर वह दरिद्र बालक राजनीति, धर्मशास्त्र, अर्थशास्त्र, इतिहास, साहित्य, ज्योतिष आदि नाना विद्याओं के कांट विद्वान के रूप में प्रतिष्ठित हुआ. Going forward, when this boy was studying, he has studied राजनीति, politics, धर्मशास्त्र, ethology, अर्थशास्त्र, economics, इतिहास, history, साहित्य, literature, ज्योतिष, astrology. So nana is many. It's not mother's father. The other meaning for nana is many. Vidya means he has learnt all the knowledge. He got all the knowledge. के प्रखंड विद्वान, अत्यधिक, very much of knowledge in different fields. He got much knowledge and he was established as a very prestigious scholar. Vidwana scholar who knows everything and pratisthit means very prestigious. அவரோட ஃப்ரெண்ட் அவரோட எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாரு. ஸோ he was able to learn different skills from different fields and he became very outstanding scholar. ஒரு டீசெண்டான ஒரு outstanding ஸ்காலராக he was able to become through his friends help. उसकी ख्याति सुनकर उस राज्य के राजा ने अपने दरबार में उसका स्वागत किया. Hearing is famous, ख्याति ना the famous, because one person knows all different things, right? So hearing is famous. The king called to his darbar, to his court, and he welcomed him और उसकी विद्वता पर मुग्ध होकर उसे अपना मंत्री बना दिया. Seeing his scholarship, different types of knowledge which he had, he was so mesmerized and made his minister. इधर बेचारे व्यापारी के भाग्य पर वज्रपात हो गया. So here the merchant and his fortune there was a very bad difficulties that has come. Vajrapat is the sudden bad difficulties that comes. अकस्मात एक रात डाकुओं ने उसकी सारी संपत्ति लूट ली और जान बचाने के लिए जब उसके परिवार के लोग घर से बाहर निकल आए तब डाकुओं ने उसका घर भी फूंक दिया. अकस्मात इज अचानक, सडनली. द डाकुओं इज द robbers. They have taken all the wealth from the home, and to save their life, when they came out of the house, the thief has burnt their house also. They have taken away the house also. Fook diya means it has been burnt. All the wealth which they have collected, sampatina, the wealth which the merchant has collected, has been taken away by the robbers. So the robbery has happened in his house all of sudden, and because of which he has to lose all the wealth. Who has lost all this wealth? The merchant. इसी शोक में व्यापारी स्वर्ग सिधार गए, and because of this sadness, the merchant has died. उसका पुत्र बेचारा दाने दाने का मुहताज हो गया. Now the under friend is his son, right? Now because of the death of his father and he lost all the wealth, now he was searching for the grains. In the sense, he was not having much things to do in his life, and he has become so poor. दाने दाने का मोहताज हो गया means it is a muhavra. You should not take the word by word meaning, but all the word together will give a special meaning. That special meaning only you have to take. It means that you have become so poor, बहुत गरीब होना. So he became so poor. परिवार के भरण पोषण के लिए उसके सामने भीख मांगने के सिवा कोई रास्ता नहीं रहा. To take care of his family. Bharan Poshan is to maintain his family. Bharan Poshan is to maintain his family. He didn't have any other option other than begging. Beek mangna is to beg. Rasta nahi raha means no other path was left out to take care of his family other than begging. एक दिन राजस्थानी के मार्ग पर अपने पुराने मित्र को फटहाल भिक्षु के रूप में देख मंत्री को बहुत दुख हुआ. So one day when the minister was going in the path towards the capital, Rajasthanina, the capital of the state, he was able to see his friend in the beggar's attire. Fatehal bhikshuk means like a ragged beggar. He was able to see his friend. Fatehal means all the clothes are torn and he is begging. मंत्री को बहुत दुख हुआ. He felt so sad. वह उसे घर ले आया. So he brought him to his house. मीत के परिवार को भी बुलावा भेजा, and he called his family members also to his house. कुछ दिन खिलाया पिलाया, and for few days he fed them, he made them to be comfortable in his house. एक दिन व्यापारी मित्र बोला, now the merchant friend said, इस तरह हम कब तक तुम्हारे मेहमान बने रहेंगे? How many days will be guests in your home? मेहमान ना गेस्टा எவ்வளோ நாள் நான் உங்கள் வீட்டில் இருக்கிறது? मुझे कुछ धन उधार दे दो. You lend me some money. मैं फिर से व्यापार शुरू करूँगा. I'll start the business again. राज्य का मंत्री होते हुए भी उसके मीत ने इतना धन एकत्रित नहीं किया था. Being the minister of the state, his friend has not gathered or saved so much of money. He doesn't have that much of money to lend his friend. Merchant friend is requesting, right, that he was not unable to give, जिससे वह अपने मीत की तत्काल सहायता कर सके. So that he can immediately help his friend. तत्काल ना immediately, because he has not gathered so much of wealth. Being so honest, he was doing his work as a minister. ஸோ மினிஸ்டராக இருந்தாலுமே கூட அவர்கிட்ட அவ்வளோ காசு இல்லை, சேர்த்து வைக்கல. அவர் ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, இம்மிடியேட்டாக ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அந்த மினிஸ்டர் கிட்ட காசு இல்லை. அந்த மர்ச்சன்ட் கேட்குற காசு அவர்கிட்ட இல்லை. कुछ पल सोचते रहने के बाद मंत्री ने व्यापारी से कहा. सो आफ्टर थिंकिंग फॉर ए वाइल, फ्यू सेकेंड्स, ही सेड टू हिज फ्रेंड, विपत्ति में घबराते नहीं मीत. ड्यूरिंग द डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स यू शुड नॉट फील सो फियर्ड. विपत्ति इज अ डिसास्टर. व्हेन द डिसास्टर हैपन्स यू शुड नॉट बी वेरी फियर्ड. हमारे महाराज प्रत्येक पूर्णिमा के दिन याचकों को दान देते हैं. सो माई किंग, ड्यूरिंग द पूर्णिमा टाइम, द फुल मून डे, ही यूज टू गिव सप्लीमेंट्स टू द बेगर्स. So दान देते means he used to give some money, donate some money to the beggars. जो याचक सबसे पहले सामने आता है, राजा उसे 100 मुद्राएं देते हैं. The beggar who comes the first on that day, the king used to give 100 gold coins. आज से तीसरे दिन ही पूर्णिमा, फ्रॉम टुडे द थर्ड डे इज द पूर्णिमा, द फुल मून डे। तुम कल रात को ही राजमहल पहुंचकर मुझसे मिलना। टुमारो इटसेल्फ यू कम टू द पैलेस एंड मीट मी। मैं राजा के सामने सबसे पहले तुम्हारे पहुंचने की सारी व्यवस्था कर दूंगा। सो बीइंग ए फ्रेंड एंड बीइंग ए मिनिस्टर, व्हाट हेल्प ही डिड, यू कम टू द पैलेस टुमारो इटसेल्फ। आई विल मेक द अरेंजमेंट्स सो दैट आई विल मेक श्योर दैट यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन who has come on that Purnima day to get the help. So such arrangements I will make, like that his friend is telling. इस तरह तुम्हें 100 मुद्राएं मिल जाएगी. By this you will get 100 gold coins. उनसे तुम्हारे परिवार का भरण पोषण हो जाएगा और कुछ व्यापार भी शुरू कर लेना. So by using those 100 coins you can take care and maintain your family also and you can start your business. व्यापारी की सुखी आशा लता जैसे फिर से हरी हो गई. सो द ड्राइड होप विच वॉज देयर इन द मर्चेंट्स माइंड हैज नाउ बिकेम ग्रीन, इन द सेंस ही बिकेम सो होपफुल that his friend is ready to help in this way, and if he gets the 100 coins he can start his business again. सूखी ना dry, हरी means it has become green in the hopeful आइडिचन अर्थों. दूसरे दिन व्यापारी निश्चित स्थान पर पहुंचा. सो वेयर द मिनिस्टर सेड टू कम, राइट, द सेम प्लेस, इन द डिटरमाइंड प्लेस ओनली. द नेक्स्ट डे द मर्चेंट वेंट टू दैट प्लेस, टू द पैलेस टू मीट द मिनिस्टर. मंत्री की व्यवस्था से उसे 100 मुद्राएं मिल गई. द अरेंजमेंट्स दैट द मंत्री हैज मेड, द मिनिस्टर हैज मेड, हिज फ्रेंड गॉट 100 कॉइन्स. वह हंसता हुआ घर लौटा. लाफिंगली ही रिटर्न्ड बैक होम. लौटाना रिटर्न्ड. अब उसका परिवार कुछ सुख में रहने लगा. नाउ हिज फैमिली स्टार्टेड टू लिव हैप्पीली. उसने अपने नगर लौटकर नए सिरे, सो ही डिसाइडेड टू गो बैक टू हिज ओल्ड सिटी वेयर ही वाज रिसाइडिंग एंड स्टार्ट द बिजनेस इन ए न्यू वे. नए सिरे ना न्यू फॉर्मूला, लेट मी स्टार्ट द बिजनेस यूजिंग दोस 100 कॉइन्स. Here what we saw, the merchant friend has used to say to his father that if my friend is not able to study or write, then I will also not study. By saying this, he had made all the arrangements to his friend, and his friend started to study all different fields like economics, history, astrology, ethology, and he became so famous scholar. And the king has heard his famous and called him and made him as a minister. So one day what happened, by the merchant's father has died because there was a robbery in their house and they lost everything. The mantri saw him as a beggar while he was going to the capital. He has called his friend and his family members and he was feeding the food. Then one day his friend asked for the money. Though being minister, he didn't have so much of money to lend him, but he gave an idea that if you come to the palace on the Purnima day and my king used to give 100 coins to the beggar, you can use that coin and start your business. So by this he comes, makes an arrangement and he gets the 100 coins from the king. Let me stop the video here as a part 1 video of the lesson explanation. In the next video we'll continue what happens next when the friend gets 100 coins from the king. If you have any doubt or clarification, please put in the comment section and surely reply back. Thank you, students.